Okay, you may kiss the bride.
You can talk in the morning, talk in the evening, eyes on you. You can talk to your brother, talk to your sister, eyes on you. You can talk to your father, talk to your mother, eyes on you. Can only talk to your mind, talk to your soul, eyes on you. When you turn on the radio, what you're reading in the papers, see, every day you hope that there will be something new. Oh, yeah, but they try to keep you down, down, down. You can talk in the morning, talk in the evening, eyes on you. You can talk to your brother, talk to your sister, eyes on you. You can talk to your father, talk to your mother, eyes on you. Can only talk to your mind, talk to your soul, eyes on you. When you're singing your sorrows, in their minds you be a traitor. Oh. See, every day you hope that your freedom will be due. Yeah, they try to keep you down, down, down.
My name is Mr. Bullock. Can I step forward, sir? Yeah. After morning, sir.
First of all, let me tell you something. Whenever you go on an interview, right? You're not supposed to take a seat without the interviewer tell you to take a seat, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I understand that you already did the interview with HR, and I am the water sports manager. My name is Colin Bullock, right? And not here to bash you, but I just wanted to learn the appropriate way. So next time you come to a formal settings like this, I mean, it is a formal settings. This is not really my office, but inside my office is really hot, so this is why I come out here to talk to you, right? Alright, so Mr. Alphonso Dafford, right? You are 43 years old.
Yeah.
You are from White House in Westmoreland.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so, and the TRN number, okay, 879 333 278.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we have to have all of that so you can be paid. Anyway, we're going to need a bank account for you, because you get the job in it.
Talk to your soul, eyes on you. When you're singing your sorrows, in their minds you be a traitor. Oh. See, every day you hope that your freedom will be due. Yeah, they try to keep you down, down, down. You can talk in the morning, talk in the evening.
Yo, Mikey.
Well, go on.
There, man, you deal with me nonsense, my friend.
Me there, man, for the work, man. You come on, people them out late in all of them, so fire, you know.
Oh, relax, man. I love talk, so.
Yeah, so we get fire, you know. For the people them out late, brother.
Bro, if you say me a friend, I go say that. So me soon get fire.
Me alone can watch the beach and I save the people them. You know, by the time I go out there so to save somebody and somebody else over there so me alone can do work. You have to
Yo,
come
that's cool, man, bro. That's cool, man. Yo, them people there out there swim zone, you know.
You know how long me I call him and nobody now come in. She look for her, she pass the ball and look how far she go. Now then stay there cause who can learn go feel you know how long me I call the people them.
Yo, bro, you not sell nothing for you there.
What I talk about? Me not done tell us me done with them things there brother. Me not sell no more weed from the hotel. Me not ruin up my reputation and them something there.
Bro, what you tell me say? You feel say this money I already get can't pay with?
There are a few things that I have to talk to you about because I don't really want you to come here and be like the other rest of guys. You understand? So I currently have 2 lifeguards. There they are. You can sit down on the beach. There they are. I have to watch them like matlock because some of them don't really remember the job description, you know. And we here, you know, we work as a team. So even though you're a lifeguard, we ask that sometimes you take up this charge. If you see any charge or anything that, you know, the guests can step on and so forth, you take it up. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Because I don't really want the tourists them feel as if because you're a lifeguard and something happen and they can't call on it. So I like when you're not busy. Now just sit down in the stand, I want to know all over the place. Right?
Good at that, man. Can't do
Yes,
that.
man. And be vigilant, extra vigilant. If you see a guest come out of the swim area, you call them back. You toot a whistle, you call them back. But you have a lifeguard license? I didn't see you present any.
Brother, no, my style that as me I tell you, America more and go. Cause start make some serious money, you know.
You know say that a true though, bro.
But talking about that, you know, say one new recruit for forward today, one new nigga for forward and boss here tell me say, oh, and me you want to train him and them something. More.
You?
Yeah.
Then how you fit train him and you can't swim? How boss if you do that?
What you mean? What you mean me can't swim? How me get the job? Me not run left foot up and run swim a day. Me not swim left foot up.
That not all about the job. I don't feel run left hoop and run swim. I feel save who?
Yeah, but the fact say me can't swim, me still swim left foot up, me still run left foot up. If I run, me have to run go save them. Me can't run go save them.
Yo, you realize what kind of work we are do? A lifeguard we are do. I don't know, check and feel this we are with the party talk about run swim. How much people you save for you there? Cause me save 5 tours.
Well, you know, say me save 2, no, me save 1.5. Cause I remember I say after me save the next last one should pass, but so we call it 1.5. But me still save somebody. Me still try me thing.
That try, bro. You fit do it, bro.
You know, me realize when me there, nobody not judge. When you're there, everybody a judge. So, there's something wrong with you.
Watcha. What finding people there? Outside that swim zone again. Bro, go on out there, go save them now.
Ah, now you say you can't.
No, come on. Go on, you go on.
People now listen, man.
Hey! Come back in the swim zone.
Boy, them people, boy, they work hard. Stress me, you know. If I get more pay than this, you know.
What you mean, bro?
Well, I walk and pick up shark from a beach, like I say. We are garbage, man, you know. Them something that ain't have work this.
Watcha. Hey!
Well, them some me on my camera, now. I'll go at iron place. You know, man, I make me know, say. Me, if you do things where boss never tell me, say, if you do. You know, them, me never get them type of work, them get lifeguard. You never get to walk and pick up things off of 2 and a chat about we hurt to his foot. Say, nah, hurt my foot, I'm not busy about that, something there.
Yo, that work is stressing, you know, bro.
Think a joke.
How?
Well,
Hey! Yo, come here, walk in the beach, bro.
I see him to me just attack to you, boy. That's not a free job, brother. then in the description we never hear that and that we sign up for. That's not a free job. We no response for that. Can't walk and clean up people beach.
Bro, relax, bro. I don't really beach we want clean, you know. We just want to do it under style so we can sell two things.
Watch out now. Remember say you have a license. Matter of fact, remember say two we have a license. Now we have big lifeguard. I don't know, look how square, you know.
Bro, we just use that as excuse, bro. Suppose to find two snowboard.
And now you talk my language. Come on,
Yeah,
then,
bro.
let me
I have some things in my pocket when I want to let go. Look here.
Any day boss to catch you a straight road, I go hit you road.
Yeah, you know, easy, you know.
Me not have it now, you know, but we are work on that still.
Alright, so we have got set up on the course. Right? A course is coming up shortly in September. So I'll ensure that you are certified and licensed as a licensed lifeguard.
Simple thing.
Right? So I think that's it. You have earned yourself a job.
Yeah, man.
And I just want you to maintain discipline, sir. Maintain discipline. Be respectful to the tourists.
So, them am I working at?
No, man. You don't jump the gun, man. Mr. Alphonso, just listen to me now, man. Be respectful to the tourists. Talk to them with respect. Because by the end of the day, them make you get paid. You understand? If them not come here, if you run them, you cannot get paid. You understand?
No for deal with it.
So, be respectful to them, talk to them, and I don't want to say no, front up with the tourists them and like when I want they around the tourists them and close up. You have some man who come here the other day make a fire one youth. You know, him there around the tourists walk after her and I don't like them something there. You understand?
Like in a
Yeah, I
relationship.
don't want no man come here and come look in a relationship, man. Look at relationship for road,
The
man.
job more still.
Yes, when you come and work, you come.
We have to have something on the side. We have to have something to juggle up on the side, bro. A tourism places, you know.
Alright, you talk about that. It's a white more look. More, you know, more gonna find to live some big life. You can't bother if you save people life you thing. And my style that.
The other day, I have to fire one young man, as me I tell him. Came on the compound and because, you know, I talked to the general manager the other day, I want some searching for going at the gate there too. But we don't really start that yet. But soon and very soon because the guys, they are coming on the compound selling weed. You know smoke?
I don't smoke still now. I used to smoke craving here, but I'm not bother with it again.
You look like a smoker, you know.
But
anyway, like I said, I think I say enough. Just work with what I work with and no make some little things you lose your work.
Am I gonna start today?
Yes man, see your uniform here now. But you know, you are not officially a lifeguard even though a lifeguard mark for your shot. So if you see nobody at John, make sure you call the official lifeguard and my license and do the CPR training and the whole work, the Royal Life Saving Training. You, as I say, September you're gonna do that. You notice in your shirt back, you don't have nothing name star. Look, you see that?
Just lifeguard.
Just lifeguard. So you're not staff yet, you're casual, right? However, you're gonna put on that, you're start work. I'm gonna assign one young man, I already talked to him already. He's going to mentor you, show you around the compound, and actually tell you what is your job description. Right? And from time to time, I go want you to clean the pools around here. Right? And sweep off the pool deck support, right? Take up the straw them off of the beach, ensure say.
So I have the something we have to clean out the pool.
Yes man, everything's around here. And sometimes the beach I go want to rake up, you don't have a problem, sir.
No man, really man.
Alright, so hold on man. See your shot, yeah? Yeah man, so you're officially an employee at Woodstock. And we here at Woodstock, as I told you, we offer the best service.
Shots not have no back pocket.
Hold on man, you don't need no back pocket because I don't want to have nothing in it. Sooner or very later, I'm going to stop issue the shots with pocket.
Alright.
So as I was saying, we here at Woodstock, the best customer service you can ever find in Jamaica. This is where you find it. Woodstock.
Yeah.
Here on the 7 Mile Beach in Negril here. Right?
Which part me change?
Young sir, I'm talking to you now.
Now listen, man. To me well want the job done. You see?
Relax now, man. You get the job, you know. But me have to brief you and make you know what go on. And if you not follow my guidelines, well you know you go. Right, sir?
Yeah, but you say I go make one of them show me.
You know you go. Alright, so sign right us up for the shorts and the shirt and the whistle.
Well, I have to go pay back for them.
No worry yourself about that, man. Just sign, man. Alright, sir. So listen now. If you see anybody at John, call the official lifeguard because you're not really official lifeguard. You're a pool man.
So we can blow the whistle though.
Yes, sir. And sometimes you're up on the beach and clean it up. But you're not no lifeguard. Not true you're there in a shop.
Wow.
You cannot do that, sir.
I test it. Sorry, man. Let's say, which
Listen
part?
to me now, man.
Oh.
Discipline, sir. You're working at Woodstock, you have to be disciplined, sir.
Yeah, man.
Right,
Right,
sir?
you up, man.
So here what you're gonna do now. Go downstairs, right? Ask for Anarchy. Right? A matter of fact. She no work at water sports, you know, but she can direct you to. I'm gonna make she carry you to Mike for me. Hold on. Them not supposed to have any phone on the beach. But sometimes they do carry it out there.
Hi, Mr. Bullock. Come on, Mr. Bullock. Remember, I don't work on water sports, you know. I like to stay at my station. Yeah, but you always do this. You know, I don't work on water sports and you always do this to me.
Yeah, man, him passed through the bar there a while ago, right? So, I'm going to send him to you and you carry him to Mike to me. Right? Come on, man. I know you don't work at water sports, man, but sure, you can help you out from time to time, man.
Alright, send him come. But remember me when time when I get in the pay, because I always do things for no and nah give me another pay no. Alright, make sure you remember me this time. Alright, send him come.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, man. Anarchy say you know you, man. Yeah, small world.
Well, be knowing still, man. When it come
Well
out
be known.
the
So,
road,
what
always I look work on them some days.
What work I used to do before the artist, because I realized you say as an artist, you put that on paper.
Use wheel waka, you know. And
Wheel
everything
waka,
there.
right.
Yeah, man.
Alright, no worry yourself. That means you can clean up the place good then.
My thing, that, man.
Alright, sir. So, have a good day. Ask the Anarchy downstairs and let's share direct it to.
All right,
Mike.
thank you very much.
Yes, sir. And be very careful because I'm watching you.
Yes, sir. Hello, miss. Morning. Can I speak to you for a minute?
Yeah. Alphonso?
Yeah, your name is Anake?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, the boss sent me to you.
Yeah. Your face look familiar though. White House I come from?
Yeah, White House, born and go.
A White House I come from to man.
You come from White House, I don't know you.
Know yourself, small world. You have one sister named Faith, not true?
Yeah, you know Faith?
Faith I'm a good friend, man.
Yeah.
Faith I'm a good friend.
Chacha.
Yeah.
Never know if Faith a friend in them great place. That means I'm not left out then, man. I have people over here.
You'll be fine, man. Come, let me take you to the water sport here.
Come on.
So you don't know Master Danny? The man we have a heap of jackass them up there.
Oh, yeah.
And my father. And me and me said
Come out on the side, man. Oh, it's a good link we have over here then.
and me and my father.
Chacha.
Yeah, it's been a while I haven't been back that side still, but you know. Alright, so we're going all the way over here to the water sport area. Over this side.
Oh, watch out. Me come then. Oh, go on. Oh, your boss there tell me about?
Yeah, Mr. Bullock said I must bring him down to you. So this is
Yes.
Mike.
Yeah, man. You good now, man. You can't go and left him. Me straight, man. Oh, go on.
Yeah, alright. Alright, take care, yeah?
Yeah, respect, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so here we know. You're going to need to change. You understand? So you see, back around this, so look a bit close to the entrance where you're forwarding. You're going to go around at the come and show you. You alright? So forward.
Watch out. This a ugly Rasta boy I didn't get.
Watch out now. Yeah, you see, yes, I feel guess them, but yes, you go round. The water sport shop there, the road. So you go just go around. You can't miss
I
it.
get it, man. Yeah.
Yeah, change and check me back. Rasta man, I look fully, man. How me I got teach this man, I say? Look like a cool kiss.
Come, Miss Tourist, come. Come, Mr. Tourist, come. Come, everyone, come. To the land of the sea and sun. La 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 la. Everyone a come and we should have fun. La 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 la. Everyone a come and we must have fun. Come, Miss Tourist, come. Come, Mr. Tourist, come. Come, everyone come to the land of the sea and sun. La 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 la. Everyone a come and we should have fun. La 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 la. Everyone a come and we must have fun. La 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 la. Everyone a come and we should have fun. La 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 la. Everyone a come and we must have fun.
Where are the night girl bathroom, big boss? I'm gonna tell her, say, no, I'm not.
Around that water sports, I go. I told me I pass the girl bathroom, I'm going to wash my face. I'm face, I'm going to wash in there.
Yeah, man, I do that again. Because if the boss catch you, or then the manager catch you, a problem you go in. You understand? You get a shot and glass too.
You want me to get the shot, man, and whistle, but I'm a yard, me carry this from.
Oh.
Fully.
Yeah, what? Go on down and stand. I walk the beach and then me check you.
What? Man, thing official now. Yo! Yo! Shit, I know. All the view. My boss, I know, you know. Shit, I know. Give thanks, Ja. Should have my phone I know for call her my sister. But I said I can't have my phone.
So your testimony yet find out if you're my informer, because remember I said we're rude, you know. See how long you pass me so. And I wonder what me do you so long. Look, she me and pray, you know. Me have to bus, you know.
Right.
Me have to bus and me name Leroy, me have to go a foreign.
Come on, man. Yeah, man, I have some. Where? What's that easy? Oi! Rasta, man. Come off and stand, man. Come down, man.
Rasta bossy.
Come down, no, man. Come down, no, man. Remember saying I'm an official lifeguard. Come down, no, man. What that name? Just come down, no, man. Rasta, come off, I suck.
Rasta, hurry up now, Rasta. Rasta, hurry up.
Look at
Come here, Rasta, hurry up.
Come here, right? Come here. Come here, right? Rasta, watch out, Rasta, you have to know boundaries. Watch out, Rasta. You see this here? Stop. Nothing in your shirt about Rasta. You have to have license, Rasta. You have to wait till the training have to start. And wait until September before training start, Rasta. You have to train yet.
So what you send me then?
Watch out, me tell you, say, forward down at the start. Forward down at the start. If you stay down at the start, Rasta, you're gone up and cheer, Rasta.
What do this, Rasta? Eh? Yo, you just say you just
I'm
stop.
gonna fight against me.
You're off.
Rasta.
You just stop. You're off.
I'm not run joke. You know,
Watch out, Rasta.
I'm not run joke. You hear? I'm not run joke. So right, come here for it.
So
You
you can come through.
hear? Send me at the stand.
Tell them to turn up at the start and tell them to go up and cheer.
Bad man.
Tell us, Rasta.
See what you do. Don't do that again. You hear me? I tell you.
Rasta.
Don't do that again, man.
Who Rasta? Yo, Rasta looks frozen.
You know, say me think Rasta about a while ago.
Yo, man, how kind of lifeguard am I, man?
You can't go work with this man here, you know. You see the man here on Google.
This man that can't save no tourists, you know. You know, see a rent a dread this. For you see me know when you come
But
back.
right now, boss, if you change your shot and put yard pan here and take off your life, you can't save nobody life.
But girl be chuck this man have to go
Man,
up, man.
come style up your chair.
Yeah. Yo, brush off your seat too.
For your work, them Rasta, you know, come up here, say Rasta, you don't need it, Rasta.
Yo, what is that? Brush off your seat. Yo, you know you feel that way about what going on, you know?
Yeah.
Me know you feel that way, bro. But just do what Bulldog say. Do what Iron Face say, bro.
Man, stop call the manager, so brother, make people hear you. Stop call man, so brother.
Yo,
Yo, hear ya. I forgot reason with him in a car. Rasta, you know where man, you know.
yo, just do what Iron Face say, brother, and just
Like a pork jet.
train him, man. Cause me even bother train him, you know, cause you know me a better swimmer, you know.
Yes, I'm getting tired of the place right now. I'm in a hot man, I see all them people here. You know what it is? The manager boy I like me a fight in the youth.
You see him move from where they, you know. Now what me I watch him, you know. How me gonna call him Bulldog?
You know, see man face ever tough. Ever screw say the man them like say them are some little boy. I like the boy them man.
You know me I catch a vibe. Bulldog. You gonna use it.
Yeah, I saw a name still in a Bulldog give name in a
Yo, 1 month there still, you know, I'm gonna see training something going. How that?
It's a forward man. I remember tell us September man 2 more months I have left man. I have just patience to thing, you know. I have just one hold it here.
I think me I go there so for long like that too, you know, bro. Nah, make no money, you. You don't make no tip for money.
No, I stop and I make that I know me broke out.
So me I tell you, say you for hustle. A fifth till I make weed myself for money, you know.
That's you know, this you know, me tell I say how just ease up a look away thing no man. You pick up the dirty habit from it. You dirty boy right.
How me fees up a waiting? Remember say me no depend staff like you know. Me not get fully paid, so I have to make up about my pay, you know. What you say about that?
Just be careful man away.
That's if you say, man.
Just be careful and hold your composure. Cause you know Bulldogs too. You know film dirty side and pop up at any minute.
I say if you watch out for man sometime, I'm watch out for you, brother. I simple
Right,
think that, you know.
This a time, man. I'm man for himself, you know. Right now, one of them look a snow. You know, they look a white girl out there, some more get fly out.
You know, sir, I show you know. I'm here for
I
panda.
continue with selling, man. I don't want to dirty up my reputation. My book have to clean.
Worry about reach 7. Remember, said taking them off figure school. But by the way, you look white girl and yes, sir. She look like you have to big and thick. When you look white girl, that them want to see, you know, the shyness.
Yeah, but
But
you have someone out there way just read the vibes. You see me, how we want, we are looking for.
nah, tell if you don't do it still, do your thing still.
Yeah, man, I want them more. You see, all I want that's a long time. I appreciate them, but I need to make my move it.
Right one that fear now, you know. Look like she alone there.
You know, it's true. I go for it, man. I go, one look nice. Jesus. I go for it, man.
So where are we, pan?
Yeah?
See her then now she alone. Go on down there, no, man.
No, it's true. I make a circle. Hey, what's up? My name is Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I'm the best lifeguard here. Anything you want, I can be a helper.
Alright.
You see me anywhere in the compound and you want fresh towels, you want anything, you can let me know. I will be very sure to help.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you
Nice to
so
meet you.
much.
What's your name?
Wendy.
Wendy?
Nice to meet
That's
you.
a nice name, Wendy.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I'll be anywhere in there. So if you need me, just give me a
I will. Thank you.
Okay, sure.
Thanks.
Nah, boy, man. Me happy for you, man.
Yeah,
You know,
man.
you go for him.
That we are work for now.
What you mean, man? Feel like you look good out there. You not get your number.
No, rush nothing. You know, she'll link me up around the place. You know, alright, that's a
I move stop, I'm so there, I just take it right away this and tell her, say, I mean,
You know,
into
man,
this.
but we just want to know me get the work and she give me a look of vibe. You know?
Rush nothing still, you'll get time,
Yeah,
man.
man, a time deal.
Really look like she not no man too.
I have to just hold her chill now. Boss.
Hello, man. Hey,
You not go
don't
better.
come here. Hey, come here. Don't wanna come here. Come here, Mr. Alphonso. Hey. Come here, man. Don't understand the person. Alright, so I want to explain to me what I light over here, so far. Right?
Where do?
Lightering here. This is not your post.
Bossy.
Hold on, Mike. This is not your post. Your post is down there. Right? So listen to me. And you're supposed to.
Let me talk now. Bossy.
Yeah.
I rate me, I look fine now. I rate me, I look fine.
Listen, me, man. You go on like your brain to a beginner. Listen, me, man. You're there 1 month now, right? Relax yourself. Don't come here and change, you know. Come here, hear some things about you know.
Like what, General?
Listen, me, I hear some things about you. Right? I told me not catch you yet. Me, I hear some things about you, but listen to me.
I work me there, I
Listen
work
to
and I
me.
enjoy
Listen
myself.
to me now, man. Time longer than rope. And on the same day, the bucket got the water bottom me drop out. But listen what me I say to you now. You follow bad company.
Boss, you know, she come see me a rake.
Listen what me I say, man. Me see everything, you know. Mike, what you do at the tourist and I say like you molest the tourist?
No, boss. I'll check if she.
Me stay up there so and I watch on you, you know.
And she call me, you know. I'm gonna go to her and ask her what she needs.
She call you?
Need few towels. Yeah.
Listen to me, man. I ain't never see the tourist beckon to you any at all.
This is she look for me, so I assume she call.
You assume?
Yeah,
Mike, you know better than that.
They
You know?
just are sewing chicken.
Listen to me.
They right this one.
Alright. Long run, short catch. So it two uno make up. Alright, it's all good enough. But listen now.
Nothing bossy.
Listen to me.
They are look furious and
Listen
no
to
one
me.
call him.
Where's where the other one?
See him there up in a
Okay.
box.
So you saw him up on him post and one of them a play around. Listen what me I say, man. You know
Bossy.
better, you know.
We not play
Hello.
around, you know.
You know better. Right? You know better.
You know, say me if you train him, I train him, you know.
So hold on.
That's train him off it though.
You going down there. Got disturb the tourists. Are training that?
No, me not this. She called me and asked me a question, so I assist. Not that
Bossy,
I am if you do
one minute.
assist.
Listen
We
to
can
me.
ask the tourists. That's why you jump down pan.
Me no need to go ask the tourists any question. Right?
Say you can't
Hello, listen, me no want to go like you want over talk me, you know. I wanna the boss or me are the boss, yes, sir. Hold on. I wanna water sports manager, yes, sir.
Are you are the thing?
Eh?
Are you man? Are you?
You see, anytime me see this happen again, me I give you 3 weeks of your yard, you know, sir. Right? Remember you the 2 weeks of your yard last month, but that because you're casual, you not start yet, but me will give you 2 weeks just so. And remember say that on a break, I just me I go give you 2 weeks of your yard. So if you can't listen, you shall learn.
can't finish the work now, boss.
Hold on, man. You go finish it, but me want to finish tell you what me I said. If you not work here at Woodstock, you have to go follow the guidelines. You understand me I say, sir? So do what you do.
Fully.
Right? And I have to talk to you now, big people, you know.
Yes, sir.
You find a postman. Go and go take up the cigarette, something them on the ground and hear me I say, man. You know better than that. You have seen a man, you know. Hold on there. You know why I'm not fire you already, you know. So you provide me with the information on the ground. Right, sir? So hear me I say. You say myself weed, right?
Yeah, man. The boy, Rasta boy, I sell weed, man. Cool, too.
More you line up one way I can hold him, come on run him, you know. You understand? More hold him with the weed. So more you work on that for me. Just like you run the Omar the other day. See? More you help me run with this man because you say myself weed. See? So do that for me, please. Right?
Yeah, I work on
But you what? Remember me have to rough up your in front time, make you look. You understand?
No, man. I information me that I get from
Yeah, man. Do what you have to do. Right?
Alright.
So hold on. Hey. Come here, sir. Come here. Hello, ma'am. What you do, man? How you doing? Yeah? I'm the water sports manager. You okay?
Oh no,
Is he molesting you or anything?
he was gonna rake me up.
Oh my God. Seriously?
Ma'am, this is not a joke. This is my boss. And he's asking you.
I'm good. Yeah.
Okay. Come. Let
he
me
was
talk to you.
cheering. Yeah.
All right. Go back. Let me talk to you, man. This is a resort that we normally offer the best service. Right? Customer service. These are my workers and I truly do apologize for anything that they have caused you, you know? So I really apologize. My name is Bullock, right? So if anything you can report it to me and I'll deal with them, alright?
Thank you.
Take care. Yeah, man.
Jah the king, and me say Jah the king. Jah the king, and me say create everything. Jah the king, and me say Jah the king. Jah the king, and me say create everything. Jah the king, and me say Jah the king. Jah the king, and me say create everything. Jah the king, and me say Jah the king. Jah the king, and me say you see my the king.
Yo, see a student there come with jelly in her hand and weed in her hand, you know.
Watcha.
You know boss is soon fire him, you know.
Think so.
I'm gonna never talk.
You better
Rasta, what happened? Rasta, you catch coconut on the people them property, Rasta. And you burn big cliff in the early morning, Rasta. How can I style that?
Hold on, first.
First what? Brother, you can't do this sitting there, brother. If Mr. Bullock see you in your yard, you got straight here.
What's the white people them want this to buy?
I know about...
And yo, when me come with the weed, some hold it. Some hold it.
So the rich say they are puffy or that.
So me not hide and puffy, you see nobody them coming.
Oh, but they say the man plays there. You
Brother, me a watch, brother. You ain't farm and what?
Brother, no.
How long you know your youth? And you that move good round this with me, you. Like you're there on my side or something.
Watch me no there on no man's side. Yeah, every man for themselves. Me tell her this.
You said that already.
Listen now. Yo. Anyways, I went to the asset here yesterday.
When?
When Bossy come catch you down and come and chat.
She say me cute.
She say what?
White man say me cute.
So me not understand. White man I tell me say she like me and I tell you say she rate you. I go where the white man if you go in.
Hold on. She never say you like, she never say she like you. And you go over there, you know. Me influence her, because you say one white woman.
Yeah, but she give me vibes like she really can't tell you.
Look like say the woman say nothing bad boy. You.
But she tell you she can't like two of we. That now.
And like say me like her, brother.
She don't like her. She like you and me like she. So how that go work?
I don't know anything.
Yo, right now, better we just lower than white woman there and just do the work, you know, because the work we come here for do, you know.
Show, you know. Show me general.
Yo, get rid of that, man.
Say nothing, man. Yo, me out here pick up them straw, you know. Yeah.
Alright, do it.
Say how old, man.
Hey, wait, yo.
Hello.
Hey. I don't know what I'm asking you about. I was supposed to call you over here.
I can't talk. You have to talk quick.
What's
my boss?
You said with a coconut earlier. I really would like a coconut.
Yeah, I got it over there
Well, like, how much?
for like $5.
Okay.
Want it?
Yes, please. Oh, here. Hold up, I got mine. Find it.
$100 to give me? No, it's for $5.
Oh no, that's yours.
Giving me it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, hey, your rake.
Oh, I was so anxious. Never make $100 before. Thank you very much. Okay.
You're welcome. Mwah.
No, I'm going the wrong way. What kind of market? Me attack it all. The rest man a sweep up him yard. Cause him wife kind of market. I say, me see the rest man a sweep up him yard. Princess, because him wife kind of market. Me attack it all. The rest man a sweep up him yard. The jelly coconut water, they wash off your heart. When I passed the house this morning, I saw him sweeping up him yard. He might keep it clean, him tell me to tell you him love you. He wants you to know, he wants you to know he love you. You need to know, he loves you so. Princess, me catch the rest of man a sweep up in the yard. is a journey. Big up yourself, princess.
Rasta boy there, forget me the Rasta boy there, you know.
What make?
See man how long this I sell woman jelly. Sell white woman jelly.
Yo, low Rasta alone, no, bro. I'm when you used to sell weed.
The top sell weed now, brother. If it top, watch him long sell with the white woman. All of them separate. Yo, I get rid of the boy.
What? Bro, low man alone,
Get rid
bro.
of the boy, man. The boy come and go like he want to come and take over, man. I like that something.
Yo, you must know, you know. You're there before me.
Come to sell coconut. Look how you look happy. Must smile. No boy, no fear smile, I mean I smile. No. That me I tell you.
Well, if him I sell coconut, you go sell coconut.
Nah, sell no coconut. Nah, follow no Rasta boy, sell no coconut.
This Rasta guy, he got me thinking now. What's up, dog?
That's why boss have to pray, you know. I'm more different. I'm going like saying run things. Yeah, show him more run things than one of this. You look like jelly man but sell coke. All you better get up from this island.
Man, why you sound so bad, man? Low man,
Yeah,
man.
bad man. Get up from this island, man. Cause you know what I mean?
I know that. Take me up now.
Get up now.
Take me up. See me now, me can get fire in this.
If you lift up to you know. That me I tell you, if you get rid of your thing, you know.
I better say me a Rasta turn around and gang you.
Turn around and get home. Right.
Oh, relax, man.
To you.
Joke me a bit, man, bro. You stay so, brother. Live up yourself, bro. And low Rasta make Rasta doing the hustling. Say, yo. How me not hear you talk about no training and training come up September?
And I'm not one, not training. Cause I Rasta, me nah train Rasta again, you know. Yeah, train him. That me and tell all you.
Now you pick up and you can't manage. Here I know. What is CPR?
I'm tell you about you.
Me say what is CPR?
I know press the people them chest, brother.
Yeah, you press the people them chest, but what is CPR? What I mean?
Brother, yeah, you no sense, you know. I go do more. You know no sense, yeah, man. You're a fool.
You know have no sense. Need to go back to school. Cardio, personally, Princess Station dog. Don't slide.
Hey! Come back! Come back behind the...
Rasta.
Hold on, let me talk to them people here. Come back! Where I say now?
What kind of style that Rasta?
Which style?
You sell white man coconut. Eh? You do things going on, you come by here, burn weed, you walk up and down with coconut on the place, you chat to you and people about weed and them. What kind of dirty style that Rasta?
What do you mean dirty style? Brother, I come and say I work and try hustle my bread in them. Business with a man. If you don't want to do it, and now you not do it, I come here for rake and hustle. That's about sell white woman jelly. A $5 I get. Yeah, you respond for that. Yeah, boss.
Me are no boss, but the man say if you guide you and you not take no guidance.
I'm not taking no guidance for you because I know what to do now. I don't need your guidance, brother, because I look like you're turn against me now.
I don't like saying I'm with your Rasta. I like me with you for a morning, but yeah, this one dirty style I don't like. I mean, for such a tea whitey, and you come running like you walk out. Go take her here off of me. You want she start focus on you.
Yo,
I rate this style, man.
I don't focus nothing for, but I just sell a white woman a jelly. I don't like some me pushing myself on a white woman. A $5 I get feet and I like enough money. One pay.
I'm not busy boy, man. Go do walking.
Go here for go, man.
Who for go? Are you for go, Rasta boy?
Go on here for go on where I go. Fight, a fight and a fight against man.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But I told you I can't talk to you. They'll fire me.
Well, let them fire you. I'll take care of you.
You take care of me?
Well, yeah.
Okay, then write down your number and I'll collect it when I'm
Let's go
going.
hang out. Let's go hang out where the locals hang out. Come on, let's have some fun.
See the local places?
Yeah.
I'll take you. Just write down your number and bring it to me. Don't let them see we talking, okay?
Nation. What a mistake, great jubilation. She want a bam bam in a big billion. Away from the DJ car ranking, baby. When we fling it on the roads and reality, I'm the best thing in life, I'm free. Come back, little and little, best thing in life, I'm free.
Yeah, Mr. Bullock. You don't know, so I see the boy I sell weed for the compound. And I arrest the white lady them. Yeah. I don't see my first coconut for the woman. The same lady man I talk to her there. Yeah, I report him to me. But through me name make a fuss out of here, I see him spot there, so I didn't really say nothing to you. Yeah, lady I say she tired of him. Every minute he come there and I harass her and I say she want to talk to the manager and one bag or something. Alright, deal with it.
She's not the Caribbean, see them sing best things in life for free. I mean say best things in life for free. It's what you get from me, baby.
Juba, oh, it's Kemper they mad out again. Lizard tail and they put in the weed. No, sir. I don't know. I just asked me out. I throw me see me. No more. I wonder what happened to him or something. No, man. Nothing like that. Yeah, man. You good though. Happy New Year, my boss. Yeah, man. Look come on. So, lizard tail. Can't put lizard tail in the weed. Alright, I'll stop, boy. Alright. I'll fix your business.
Me hear them a plan for me now. So as me say, just make sure tell a brother say, no eat from them, no drink from them, nothing at all. No take not even as much as one sweetie. No take from them, nothing at all. And I left nothing at all careless. Well then can't get a hold of it because me I tell you say, they evil man, they are very wicked. When me tell you, so just tell him say to be careful. The things them me can't talk on. Me can't. Them things I can't talk on phone. Yeah, you see it, girl. The things them what them I say. You can't even talk on phone. Me I tell you. And between me and the girl, this the boss. He manager what they have. He like me. Them a look me. Between me and you. Yeah, he a look me and you know me and him reason about things and he said and he tell me some about things, girl. Yeah, and in a real life, them a carry news to him, boy, your brother and something. So just tell himself to be careful. But guess I know, he might want a smart man and something, and he observe. He's very observant and he like to see things for himself and something. And somebody will just take care say so. You understand? Yeah, so just tell your brother so just be careful because at the end of the day, them boy they wicked. When me tell us so they're wicked, they're wicked.
Yeah, yes, Anake, sorry to bother you again. Boy, you're not easy, you know. I saw you this morning, you look very nice. Right. Okay, but not say me bother you again as I say, you know. You see Alphonso on the compound? Yeah, send him to me. Please. If you see any other brother, right, okay, I see him. Send him come. Thank you. I need to talk to you.
My name is Abula. Say you want to see me.
Listen to me. There are certain policies that you should be governed by as a staff here, right? And also, it governs you even though you're not a staff. You should obey them, you should observe them. Let me come straight. From information received, it is said that you are taking away the tourists of the compound, taking them into the communities out there.
Me, Mr. Bullock. Me take the job serious.
Love is clean and love is pure. And love is a thing that no doctor can cure. And love is a thing we need for sure. And if you don't got it, we got it.
When I talk about you taking the job serious, Mr. Alphonso, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about you taking out the tourists at the resort.
When you have a camera on the premises, don't it? When you say that.
Listen, listen. Remember back in the days I used to be a lifeguard.
No, me say if you catch me on camera.
Hold on, man.
Or somebody I tell you that.
Listen, no, nobody not to tell me. No. Right?
But no.
Yes, I know.
Because you saw me.
No, I'm not talking about your situation.
Come straight.
I'm talking about situations where lifeguard inveigle tourists to go somewhere else and all of that. You know, I know because remember, before I became manager, sir, I used to be a regular lifeguard.
Well, what me that do that for? Tourists, if a tourist on the compound, why me ever take them off the compound? So what?
Mr. Alphonso. Alright? We don't have you on any camera. As I told you from before, it's based on information received. Right? But me know a scenario like that, it can go so. So, therefore, I am warning you on that basis. If you are doing that, cease and desist. Don't do that again. If you do it. You hear me say if you do it, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, sir. And another thing now. Boy. Look here, man. You know, growing up, you see, I grew up with my grandfather, you know? And my grandfather is a very wise man. My grandfather used to tell me, say, you know, drink your soup when it's hot, you drink it when it's cold.
What kind of soup you talk about? What kind of soup you talk about, Mr. Bullock? If you come straight, that's what I say, you talk slow and you go around in a curve, general. If you tell me two things, you just tell me two things and that's it.
Listen to what I'm saying. You listen to what I'm saying. From information received again, is that you are down there selling weed.
Weed?
And listen to me now. Listen to me. I want to hold you with the weed for fire, you see?
Mr. Bullock.
I want to hold you with the weed for fire, you see?
Listen what I say. May I tell you the truth now? One time I ever said something over here. I walk with my owner jelly and a tourist that she wanted to buy. I'm just sell her it and that's it. Me not sell no tourist no weed.
So you don't know, so that is against our policy here.
I don't know if that against, I'm not a jelly, I'm my coconut, no carry work for drink.
Listen what I'm saying to you. I wanna bring in no law thing here, so like, where you see the police are dealing out there or whatever, right? We are talking about our policy here at Woodstock. Them say ignorance to the law is no excuse.
But you never tell me,
never
so
hear
you
that.
just come look.
You never hear that?
Yeah, but you never say.
Hold on now.
When we get the work, don't sell at all, it's like a coconut.
No,
That's
but
not, you know, say that.
hold on. You were supposed to, the onus is on you to read up your policy here.
But the coconut no depend on it.
Oh, you mean coconut? Anything whatsoever. The tourist supposed to go to the bar and get a coconut. You carrying coconut and the compound selling coconut. And you know the fact that you tell me.
One coconut me bring for drink for myself.
Hold on. The fact that you tell me.
Me not carry coconut for sell.
No, but you just tell me say you sell a coconut. And that I say a while ago, sir.
And me say coconut never depend on the paper.
No, but you just tell me a while ago say you sold a coconut here.
I sell it because it was mine and then I buy back the coconut for my purpose.
No, listen to me now, Mr. Alphonso, because you going like your brain is bigger than my brain. Right? The fact that you admit that you sold a coconut on our compound here, you know that you can be fired. The fact that you tell me.
And me never know that, so how it go now? How's that now?
No, the fact that you tell me now, no, I can cause you to go home right now. But you want me to say to you now. You want me to say to you now, carefully in the boss. It's chalk line you are walking on.
And that is it.
That is it, you know.
So I can go now.
You don't tell me when you want to go or when you want to forward or whatever. Listen to me, man. I tell you when to go and I tell you when to come here. But I am telling you now, a chalk line in the point. So watch yourself down there, sir. Because me I make sure say no. Me I watch you down there, no. And you know, no. You think me don't hear some name on you call me? Bulldog or such a iron face?
Me, I'm new. You think say me stupid? Me know say you there so daytime I watch you. Right, sir.
Me?
Every day. Stay so. I look through the window. So.
You ever see me watching you? Come
I through the window down there.
right here. Out of order.
I through the window down there. So, sir, me know where I go. Me not stupid. You never see me.
Alright,
sell
listen,
weed.
sit down. So, why is it that you don't call me Bulldog?
You ever hear me call it Bulldog, Mr. Bullock?
Me never hear you call me Bulldog, you know, but I'm saying.
So you say, oh no, like, you throw long everything for me then.
No, because you guys are a team, you know.
Team, you ever hear how them deal with me yet?
How them deal with them?
Man, them, yo, me not even can go in a box, brother.
No, but you see, look, that is not a box, you know. That's a lifeguard stand. So, first and foremost, you don't even know what to call it, much less you want to go in there. You have to have a lifeguard license.
Man, them not with me, man. Them par, me alone par.
So listen, if they are not with you, it simply means that if they are not with you, right, you have to just find somebody who you can relate to, you can talk to and so forth. Remember, you know, if you come to my office in there, so I'm not running out, you know. As long as you have some information and tell me what going on the compound, I can even promote you faster than that.
No, me not depend that. Me just come for her. Yeah, hear me still.
But anyway.
You finish talk to me.
Anyway.
Come done the pan chalk line already, you know.
Anyway, Mr. Alphonso. Chalk line, boss. That's it. Talk to you now.
Have a nice day, Mr. Bullock.
You too. Why am I telling you, man? Them lifeguard I see, man.
What's up, baby? Boy, today I come out, you know. You mean that?
Well, you alone can't lift it up, you know.
Don't make a sun down.
You know, that chair will lift it up already.
So, what go Rasta?
No finish.
Come in and like how you left the whole I work for me in a Rasta. What go on?
What's in my left to work for your youth? Boss just call me in my office.
So a boss you call for. Make sure you know you inform a thing I go on, you know.
How will you take man find farmer youth? What the fuck you have to know nothing, man? You want to find out people business too much, man.
You go on, man. One day we must find out if you're a snitch.
Good, man.
Until though, my rate is still in you're a tough boy, you know.
Come in, man.
Go up on that side. Go on there, sir.
You run me out. It's not easy for three go school. I must say that's why you take me for fool. You think God asleep, me know I'm not asleep. You think God asleep, me know I'm not asleep. You think God asleep, me know I'm not asleep. With one eye in my peep, me know I'm not asleep. Every day me ride around the block, selling ants, powder and rat black. Every day me ride around the block, selling ants, powder and rat track. You kill out the rat before me to rat. Kill him flat, up on his spot, just like that. You kill out the mice before me to rise. You don't
That must get enough here, not true?
Yeah, man.
Feel it now.
Yo, lock you off, man. Come carry it back in. Yeah, man. It's
So
good.
Alphonso, what really I want? Cause me don't know how boss just call you upstairs, so.
Yo, you hear me? Some people are carrying news from man like that.
News. CVM or TV too.
But man, I carry out tourists off a compound and very bad mind them. Cause you them know say white man like me and we are go out and them something. One of them know one man bus. Bus out type pack brother.
What is a bus out type pack? What you mean?
I mean the white woman take care of me brother. She even said she want marry to me when she come back.
I had a really good time. I come back in about 3 months. It would be really great if maybe we could get married.
What? Alright, we don't have the link already, so
Alright,
no nothing. Can't do that, man.
maybe I'll see you then.
Yeah. Alone, you left with me. Alright. Carry me out and then something.
I say a thing down a league G.
Yeah, brother, but me never expect that. What want me to do?
Me know I'm not asleep. You think God asleep? Me know I'm not asleep. With one eye in my peep, me know I'm not asleep.
You know, I take care of me, brother. I'm trying to see me that 100 years. I'll be a bad mind, yo. Yo.
Wagwan, man.
There no bossy.
So, but me expect someone to watch this, like, cause them something I want.
Pump it first, cause kind of.
Yeah.
Sir, you know, take the ear.
Yeah, man, it can take the year, man, but we have pump it first.
Sorry.
Then we wash it off.
Okay, well, I do a great job, man. Alright, so, great job. Alright, so, you know me as a man where normally to a random question at you. Remember say, coming up, we're not going to do an exam, right?
Yeah,
You're going to do your exam for the first time, your Royal Savings certification, and the lifeguard license, right? You, what you going to do?
You know bossy.
You're going to do your renewal, sir. Right, listen to me, tell you. Alright, so, first question we have here. Who's a lifeguard?
Man, we dive and save people on the water, sir.
That sound like a diver, man. Underwater.
Yeah, sorry.
Listen, you don't laugh, you know. Hey, listen. You don't laugh. Why you laughing? Listen.
Bossy, no.
You cannot laugh at them because listen, it's when you just came here, remember say you never know nothing at all.
Some wrong.
That's true.
Hold on, I'm gonna bring you up to speed. Relax. I'm gonna bring you up to speed. I have a book up at the office. I'm gonna make you get the book. Alright, so I'm gonna ask him a few questions and you learn.
Yeah.
So let's say you're there at work one day and somebody call and say somebody down and so. Somebody unconscious. Whether or not them come up them in the water or not or whatever. What would you do?
Oh, boss, you know, so we have to go do with LLF.
LLF?
Yeah.
So hold on, you go up on the scene. You know, observe what is on the scene first. And when you first go on the scene, what you supposed to do?
Like, we check if no current wire up on the road or no debris or, you know, can pick up, move against from the sidewalk, you know.
Clear the area.
Yeah, clear it.
Clear all debris and all of those
everything. Light wire, everything.
Yes.
Every single big stone or cause damage, we take up it.
So, and then you said, do what? After that, what you do?
We do LLF.
What LLF mean? Listen, you know.
Oh, LLF.
Well, first L is an acronym, you know, sir.
Now listen.
The first L, tell me what it mean.
Oh, we look around if nobody a look. If nobody a watch we. We look around the place first.
Hey, stop telling man crap, man.
The first LSM man figure.
Yes, but that's not it. Look here, man. Oh, you pass your exam, man. The first L is look. And what are some of the things that you look for, sir? And the victim.
Oh, we look if they have no money, no ID or no bank card or...
No. Yes, you're supposed to do that, you know. You're supposed to see up any bank card or any ID to identify the person.
Or any money, bossy.
I'm talking about the acronym LLF. Nothing in it. We say you have to look for ID. Right? Yes, you're going to need some information as it relates to the victim in name, so you can check in pocket, his or her pocket, to see if him or her has an ID. And, you know, to if you see an address.
But if somebody are dead, you have to do it fast. You can't
no,
have it in the
look,
pocket.
Just let's say the victim is unconscious. Let's say unconscious.
Yeah, but that can
So, the first L, right? You go on your scene, you look. Any rise and fall of the stomach. Right? You never remember that, sir? You tell a man about look for money, sir. Alright, so the second, look if there's any rise and fall of the stomach. It's like how he's breathing, turn sideways. You realize? Yes.
If you want to be.
Right.
Oh.
That indicates that the person is somewhat alive. So if the person is alive, you cannot render CPR. You know?
I never know about that.
Yo, couple nights around.
Hold on. So if the person, if you say that the person is breathing, can you render CPR?
Me think so, bossy. Me think so.
Jesus and peace. Oh my God. No, sir. I got have trouble. Look here. Hold on. It's only me on the page. Say, only look on boy, can't me hold on. So everything just out of your brain for last.
But bossy, LLF, what that you mean?
Alright. The first L is look for the rise and fall of the stomach. Right? The next one, you listen. You listen for breathing.
Oh.
Right?
On the F, we look at them and float.
Listen to me. Hey.
No, I'm ask you something first before you're going on.
Yeah, ask me the question. Because, look here.
Just tell me one thing. The first C in a CPR.
The first C?
Yeah. No, the only C, yeah.
Cardio. Right?
Cardio.
CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation.
Oh, CPR.
Right.
Big word for better. What me no mean?
Lifeguard. Listen. Future lifeguard. You have to know all these things, you know. If you want to pass the exam, you have to study. You should start studying already.
Say it again.
We never say CPO, sir. We say CPR.
Say it again.
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, sir. I have a book up by the office. Check me before you leave here. And you, me lose a fireman. You?
No, bossy. But
me lose a fireman.
Oh, yeah, bossy.
So no say
what you mean? Soldier not teach everything. Soldier don't say that, man. Soldier teach everything.
Your time of
anyway. When you say that, boy, me I tell you.
Bossy, right, yeah. Bossy move. Like, no, man, move so.
Yo, come
we feel like everything we are going to remember.
When
we finish pump up with us. Bossy must feel like everything we are going to remember.
Everyone come on, we must have fun. Come, me stories come. Come, me stories come. Come, everyone come. To the land of...
Guys, no, I'm telling you. That's what I've said. I can't get to take you hug you on the resort, but when we go out, oh, trust me, that was nice. And I promise you, I will do it regular. Yeah, man. It was so good. Trust me. I wish the night wasn't over. So sweet. Trust me, babe. Yeah, babes. Hello? Hello? Look at it done. Give me a call off your phone.
How we going to call?
Foreign number, man.
Yo, nobody done no credit, you know. I don't know if credit me have.
Yes. Accept.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm calling from my friend's phone. It's me. My credit finished. Oh, you're gonna send me some credit. Okay, alright, do that. We'll call you back. Probably later. Love you. Mwah.
Then Alphonso. I saw you move. I saw you move. Yo, that one tough boy, man. I like all snowboard them.
No, I just want them, man. Everything alright, man. I just want, man.
Oh, that tough boy. Marita, touch this again.
Say I was, man.
Okay. Boy, girl, number this. Everything good and see her. Your snowboard and my snowboard.
Come, Miss Tourist, come. Come, Miss a tourist, come. Come, everyone, come. To the land of the sea and sun. La 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 la. Everyone a come and we should have fun. La 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 la. Everyone a come and we must have fun. La la la.
You have a lot of changes in our business I know. You realize so when I come to you guys I see 1 or 2 camera. Yeah man. So you know if you really come out and do it like that and all, yeah, then gonna sit there watch you open a business.
On a nurse manager them me see come here, bro. As bad as thing be, bro, they me a never deal with it, so. All when having work in ways them, you know, bro, they me a never deal with it, so, bro. So I don't know how iron face here come go on, so.
That's true. You say true in charge, you know, if you like him don't really run this thing, but he don't really run this
in
thing.
charge, him better out charge.
Mm-hmm.
So, what you do with this, sir?
With this. When people do it with? Where do it with?
So now you tell me say you don't have for there something, bro.
You know worry about that. You just pay attention to your thing and pay attention to my thing. Yeah.
So, give me talk there.
No, you hear that? You can't get this away there, brother.
Mine, how I do with that?
Don't worry yourself, just don't say I'm my
Mine
weed.
sell, you know.
No, you sell it, I make a piece of money, you don't worry about that. But this is
So
my
how
weed.
you make you look like you know do things for
So just stop it nice, no, brother. Just
how you make you look like you know?
fix it in your face, boy, you're informer or what? Look how long me there, you go like you want inform.
So you do an inform for Rasta.
Come on, no, brother, come on, like, me no read Rasta youth.
Give me weed when I go sell it
Watch
weed.
out now. Relax now, man.
I know give me I go tell
Just
Martin
watch
say I
out.
weed.
Relax now,
Watch
man.
out.
Relax now.
What you know?
So me can't trust
2
you,
days
boy.
yesterday, you know.
Today, I'm gonna make a little money off a little cliff. You know how much we can
I
sell?
know give me that when I go sell it. Me tell back, me go up.
Watch out now. I'm should be off fire, boy.
I take your
Yo, watch out now. I'm here, you. I'm here, brother.
Catch you already.
Relax now, you.
Give me weed.
Relax now.
Yo, give me weed, brother.
Watch out now. I'm gonna give you weed now. But I see this a weed. Look on it. You see, look. You have a look of black up there,
Yo.
so, and you have a look of white. This watch out now. The weed. I'll gum in it.
Gum.
Yeah.
Oh.
You see me?
Keep your weed, brother. Me not burn gum.
Alright
Till
then.
the night now, me not burn it. But me not burn gum, bro.
Well, that's true.
What's up? See your boy that, you know? Can you see? I don't work with some of them, man. Yo, I'm so far with you, bro.
Alright.
There, I know Rasta.
Morning, sir. Officer, sir, to you, because you bust me on the ends, you know. Can come up here, sir.
You can't come and get a 2 minutes.
So what is the mission now, sir, today?
As usual, work.
Yo, treasure.
That's a fuck the truth, bro. Yo, watch out now, Rasta. You see, don't blow your whistle if it's not an emergency. Them here have an emergency. You understand? You whole I work by. So if you over there say you blow, the whole of you go look and you say whistle. We don't say whistle me.
Yeah, I understand. So what I go on today?
Yeah.
And next time, no, say 2,000, man. Man, no blow with, you see?
Well, that's true. But anyways, we know say we have ups and downs on the place, but yeah, I'm in same way, you know? Mm-hmm.
Can't get one of that.
Yeah? Told me to Rasta, no problem. Burn away. You see me? You're not really full on the weed still, you know?
But you know, say I have to go hide and do it, though.
You want a lighter? I have a lighter.
I always have that. No, man, me good, man.
I mean, my light, yes, man. Till light up weed and burn weed. You see me?
You see, it's a match is man come out to you.
No, sir.
No, nowadays.
Yeah, man. Fuck this man. No, informer they are saying, and just near your road.
I said that weed that tastes good, man.
Yeah, man.
Aye.
Yeah, man. I go and do a thing. I hold a leak here. Yeah, man. If you need nothing, you just shop. You're not going to need nothing still. Go and do a thing.
Guidance. You know this goes for me right now. Watch out for me, yeah?
I'm on the rasta. Make you run so. I can't exercise my exercise for the walk.
Oi, you think me no know say uno mad off my brother? Uno mad out my brother. Me know say uno bad mind and corrupt.
No.
What you mean? You don't know. You don't know.
We not forgive.
Oi, you not nothing to give me.
For beg
Me
you,
no
beg
want
you,
nothing from uno full of corruption, uno bad mind. Uno and my brother work at the same place. My brother they work over here, so uno know my brother. Uno know me a talk about.
Me no
And
know.
mad out my brother.
Me no know.
But me tell you no
I never boss
thing. He nah go so. He nah go so if you think so no can mad out my brother and it go easy and nice and smooth.
Come on,
And
people.
over here sober and alright.
Come on, people, them
And then
property,
come off which property. My brother they walk over here. Make him boss come run me from over here.
Yo,
Make him come run me from over here.
Call boss.
Call which bossy. Call him. Call him if you call him. I call him if you call him because me I go make you get fire from over here. So you feel like call your boss. I come like you come like you there with your but talk in my face. Hey boy, no son of brother, no mad out.
You don't know, so I'm mad man over here.
Mad man like your mama. Come on for which property?
Yeah, alright, bossy.
Fire burn for you all on about alright, bossy. Fire burn for the whole on.
Lady, the boss say for you have to exit off of the property.
Exit off. Tell the boss if you come
Right,
to me.
boss say for get off of property.
So on to you, Mike.
Oh, me not mix it.
Oh, I make a name.
Me not mix up.
I make a name. I make you I see your name up. Oh, on the name.
Man, yeah, I mean your Mike. How?
What you mean
now?
what?
Fireplace and your brother mad like.
Yo, me must burn
Lift
only
up
for fire
yourself,
for the whole round over here.
Lady.
So we are bad mind
Lady,
people.
I show me the work. Me no idea not here. I got
And that when you see me a road,
that me I tell you. I show me no idea.
lightning and thunder for the whole round.
Someone that come from man.
When you see me a road, come try do something.
Lady, you hold too much reasoning, man. Go on here.
You can't do this at Empress or nothing. Eh?
You see a mad man just like.
Blazing fire for your boy.
Something she are looking up.
Blazing fire for you, are you? Hey, fire burn up the whole round over here. Remember me tell you, ja! Lick them with lightning and thunder.
Something man, I really love your worker.
Obe Walker, a blaze up fire for you.
Leroy,
All you
boss, if you take it to man.
oh, Leroy. Leroy, your name. Leroy.
No, me. Son of Leroy, me name.
When me eat my Islalu and Youngkin, John know say, me a go chant. Psalms for you and burn you up. Rasta, don't take talk from people. Fire burn for the two of you if you want to do to me brother. I go pray for the two of you and Jah will.
I pray for you too.
Do you know want to look for anything? Want to reap? Lightning and thunder for you shall sow it. Remember that.
Man, come on for a proper
Fire
seat.
burn feet one.
Where that keep dreadlocks? Yo, bro. You look like a mad family Rasta come out, you know.
That me I see.
Yo, Rasta mad, she mad,
Whole family mad.
whole of them.
One family
You know,
mad out.
yo, Mr. Rasta, I run Rasta with up and down, you know. How do you think the Rasta?
Boy, I don't know, you can't ask me then something, you can't mix me. I'm busy about nobody's business.
I don't know if Rasta head go and come sometime.
I found this water. Want some? I'll share. You said you're gonna marry to me. Aren't you? Yeah.
Bam bam, there's a white one in that bunch. Cha la 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 la, there's a white one in that bunch. Cha la 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 la, white one in that bunch. Cha la 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 la, them sit down and organize for man. Bam bam.
Sorry, Mike, I can't for you now.
One in that bunch. Cha la la la.
Mike, why pray, bro? Yo, man, everything good, man. Me just don't like when you run off before. So, and Alphonso mad up, bro, and his sister come in, you sound guilty, bro. What one? No, bro, me don't like when you look, bro. From that one, you left for work, you don't come back. And me one day, you know, immigration up. So that's what they get now. What? Bomba, Mike. They're not a rich boy. So yo, you left this work completely, not true? Boy, me glad you left all this work free though. Cause whole like snowboard them for the beach. After me I know. And me and an officer stand and me one. Me a general I know, you know, bro. After you I never know general. Remember say your friend left you know, you know get one snowboard all you know. Stop tell lie man bro. Yo, you be a liar tell man. Yo, you never get none of snowboard them. Wait, you can't prove it. Once you can't prove it bro, you don't make no sense, you don't get to. You know, you're gonna walk the beach you know, so we'll call about later. And top from talk about a Rasta me cannot get no snowboard, bro. They're just never sharp. Yo, look come on here, man.
You can talk in the morning, talk in the evening. Eyes on you. You can talk to your brother, talk to your sister. Eyes on you. You can talk to your father, talk to your mother. Eyes on you. Can only talk to your mind, talk to your soul. Eyes on you. When you turn on the radio.
Hello, Wendy. Is this Wendy? Oh, you don't remember me, the lifeguard from Woodstock? It was me, Mike, and Alphonso recording. Oh, Alphonso, no, you're not gonna get Alphonso phone anymore. You're not gonna get Alphonso phone. What happened to him? Oh, Alphonso told me to tell you that whenever you call back, I should tell you that Alphonso is in a next relationship with a new snowboard. What is snowboard? Oh, that is a word that he just make up and call you by. See, he don't even rate you. Alphonso told me to tell you that he is happily in a relationship. Wendy, I'm serious. I'm not joking. When you come to Jamaica and came to Woodstock, you see I'm joking? I don't even talk, Wendy. Alphonso is in our next relationship, Wendy. That's what I'm trying to tell you. He doesn't like you. So whenever you come into Jamaica, you can call me on this number. This is my number that he called you on the other day. And I'm not wanting to diss you and tell you that you are disturbing him and him new woman. That is new white woman that he meet at Woodstock. So when you come back to Jamaica, I'm gonna be your new man. Yes, and you have a nice day too, and God bless you. Okay, bye-bye. Mwah. Yes! Yes!
Someone I wouldn't even sing one song. I'll sing a song for you, baby. Sing a song. Them thing that she like him, she named Wendy. Alright, one.
Eyes on you. You can talk to your father, talk to your mother. Eyes on you. Can only talk to your mind.
Hello, Wendy, baby. How are you?
Good. I'm doing good. I'm having a great time. Just waiting for the sun to go down so we can go party again tonight.
Oh, last night, Wendy, was a blast. I enjoyed myself.
Yeah, me too.
So much. So are you okay?
Yep.
Wendy, you know that I have to go because I can't hang around here with the tourists.
Okay.
Because I'm on duty.
Working. Okay.
So,
All right.
Later. See
you later.
Talk in the morning, talk in the evening, eyes on you. You can talk to your brother, talk to your sister, eyes on you.
Danny daughter,
What's that?
come here. Come here, 1 minute. Wait. You know that girl here? She named Wendy.
No.
Oh, yeah, look for me, so. She named Wendy.
Alphonso?
Yeah, I mean. How are?
Alphonso, you know something else or something on the table, but I never know if it's so bad.
Nothing I'm to me, man. We just look for that girl there.
Me no know her.
You don't know her?
Me no know her.
Alright then, yeah, take care. I know say all of them is your father. I'm good though.
Talk to your mind, talk to your soul, eyes on you. When you turn on the radio, what you're reading in the paper.
Alphonso?
Wendy! It's you!
Alphonso, it's you?
Yeah, it's really me. You said you was gonna marry to me. This is you. I'm married to you already. This is you.
That's not me. You can marry me right now.
Yeah?
Yes.
Really you?
Hey, mad boy! Low white lady alone! On top abuser! Hey, mad boy! Where are you? Where? Wendy!
Leave him alone.
Why? And he's so stick!
No, I love him.
But Wendy, you come to Jamaica to see me!
Well, you told me a lie. You said he wasn't around anymore.
So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna marry him.
The two of you guys are crazy alike! Damn!
Are you willing to take him for your husband?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, well,
Are you willing to take her for your wife? Put on the ring.
One engagement and a marriage.
Miss, are you serious about it?
yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, put on his ring then. Okay, you may kiss the bride. Really?
Why do you keep asking me really?
Come on. But you remember, you guys don't pay me yet. Anyway, Rasta live. But even though I don't eat any breakfast, I'm not gonna die. I will tell you.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let me call her back. Please give me about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna want meeting and me call her back. Alright, babes. Alright, so
Hold on, let's say, alright, babes. You know, easy to you. You come and say, I talk to your boyfriend in front of me. Anyway, what were you saying? 'Cause you called me and I was talking to somebody.
really no.
Yeah.
Alright, what I did want to talk to you about when him the life Alphonso. The lifeguard we did there.
Oh, Alphonso, my God.
Alright.
Can't believe. You know, from we hired a young man, and a young man, a big man. From we hired him, you know, I saw something in him, but I didn't know. So probably something that happened to him from a while ago, some time now, and then he tried to suppress it. But I saw something. Trust me.
I know it's a long story, but
Mm-hmm.
we won't get there. Me don't know. I don't know what you guys can do to help him. Me don't know if whatever it is, me would want you to just try this something, see if I can get him back on the right track. See if I can help him. Give back one word.
No, that is up to the family. We are just his past employers. So the onus is not on us to find him in the street and to find rehabilitation for him. We can't do that. We have our job to focus on. We also have our families to focus on too. So
Please.
it's just easy, you know.
Like there must be something. Like it's really not funny. Like my heart just bleed if you just know say him I got through all of that. Like there must be somebody that is willing to help. Like me know if family in come from the same place and me come from, like Me just wish somebody could help him. Like, I don't know. Whatever it is that we can do, you and I, just to get him back on track. Like it's really rough.
That I go really, we know it rough, but that I go hard. But the face that one I go give me, you know, easy enough. Alright, you are going. You're going to talk to the general manager and see if we can reach out to his family and so forth.
Yes,
and see if we can try something for you, help him.
I would appreciate that because while he was around here working, like me see say have potential and he work hard. He work hard. You understand? So just see what you can do. At least just see what you can do.
Alright. I'll call Mr. Loban and see what can go on, right?
Thank you.
Well, you know if you soft up people,
It's not a matter of being soft.
Nice though. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Later, yeah? Alright, I like that. I'll give you an update on it, right?
Alright.
I'll call Mr. Loban now. Yes. Wow, man, not easy, no, man. Yes, sir, Loban. The best general manager in the world, man. How about sir?
You can talk in the morning, talk in the evening.
Well, you know, I don't really call you that much unless I have an update or I inform you about something serious. Yes, sir. Happy New Year to you too, sir. Thank you. Yeah, man, the family is okay. Yes, sir. Alright, so we have a situation here where one of my lifeguard, boy, Solomon is away, you know. Go again? The same one that yeah, man. This is the same one. Yeah, man. So I was just asking what the hotel could do, on his behalf to see if we can help him out, Okay. Alright, I'll get in touch with them. Right, just very well, sir. Very well. Very well. Alright, thank you very much. Get back to me as soon as possible. Thank you.
Talk to your sister, eyes on you. You can talk to your father, talk to your mother, eyes on you. Can only talk to your mind, talk to your soul, eyes on you. When you turn on the radio, what you're reading in the papers, see every day you hope that there will be something new. Oh, yeah, but they try to keep you down. You can talk in the morning, talk in the evening, eyes on you. You can talk to your brother, talk to your sister, eyes on you. You can talk to your father, talk to your mother, eyes on you. Can only talk to your mind, talk to your soul, eyes on you. When you're singing your sorrows, in their minds you be a traitor. See talk to your father, talk to your mother. Eyes on you. Can only talk to your mind, talk to your soul. Eyes on you. Open your eyes, be open to the notion that you can be yourself. Make your own judgments, make your own life, make your own mistakes and love one another. Be yourself no matter what and keep what is yours. Don't you ever be blinded with delusion. No, they cannot keep you down, down, down. You will talk in the morning, talk in the evening, eyes on you. You will talk to your brother, talk to your sister, eyes on you. You will talk to your father.
Love beyond madness. You have made it to the end of this movie. Thanks for watching. Special thank you to Woodstock, the entire management team and staff. Big up on yourself. Dijon, big up on yourself. And people, trust me, if you want somewhere to hang out, Woodstock are the place. If you're living overseas and you're coming to Jamaica, Woodstock are the place. Make sure you go to Negril and find Woodstock. If you can't find the place, you call me. My number always there in the description. Right? Woodstock, the food is second to none, the ambience is second to none. Woodstock are my place, people. So you're not going to regret it. Woodstock, big up on yourself. All the best. Happy New Year. That's the first movie for the new year. That's how we kick off the ball game, right? One Maggie Films and never talk. Big up. Hold on, go on like so now. Subscribe up. No, for when I tell them to subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. My son. Actually, I yet but I run down. Okay, boy. Now yourself, mama. So now, yo, you. What's on you subscribe to Maggie Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
Oh, you said what? No, you said why?